Hello friends, this is Janice. Today I will make a brief introduction of our refrigerator. Behind me is the most popular item for the Middle East markets, especially like the Iraq market. It's outside evaporators, so it can make the very strong cooling capacity. Let's have a look. It's outside evaporator. Look at here. And the back side. These items have a very big capacity for the storage of the food. We can make the capacity from 250 liters to 500 liters. The colors can make like the silver color, stainless steel color, white color, black color, the golden colors, and some VCM flower colors. At the front side, we can make for some advertising stickers for you and make the special OEM brand for you. More information, please feel free to contact me. I will send you by email or Wechat or WhatsApp for the specifications, for the price list, for some pictures, packing pictures, and other more information. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.